Everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I'm Alexis Valdepena, if you don't know me already. As you guys already know, I'm going to be doing my BOXYCHARM unboxing. In my last video, I did say that I wasn't going to do as many makeup tutorials, but I still want to do BOXYCHARMs because I love BOXYCHARM. If I feel like doing it, then I will. It's a little bit longer this month. That usually means that there's going to be some good stuff in here. I already did take a peek in the box and I did swatches and I used one of the products yesterday, so I couldn't help myself. I had to. Let's go ahead and open up the box. And it comes with these two little papers. One is it is a flash facial, $10 at the Ulta Skin Bar. That's really cool. I think it's like a little coupon. And then this is the theme of the box. It's BOXYCHARM Naturel, and behind, of course, is a list of all the products, a description of them, and the price. What I did use yesterday and what I'm going to show you first is the Elmer's Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. So this says that it's an advanced skincare. Let me go ahead and read it. It says, get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, and more radiant skin. And then this retails for $35. It's one of those masks that dries down, but it doesn't get really tight. I don't know, I really liked it. It was really nice. When I took it off, it was like really nourishing. The next thing inside of the box I used yesterday, the Luxie 3-piece brush set. It says that create the perfect look with your new eco-friendly Luxie brush set. Apply foundation with the Luxie 510 foundation brush. Blend your eyeshadow with the Luxie 250 large eye blending brush and precisely apply your color to your crease with the Luxie 246 precision crease brush. And these 3 brushes retail for $30. So these are the 3 brushes that come inside of this little thing here, and it has like the back, it tells you like which brushes are in it. So this gel eyeliner says line and define your eyes or lips with your new Appeal gel eyeliner. So that's cool. You can also use this on your lips. And this retails for $21. That's a little bit steep for a gel eyeliner. I have the Luna by Luna lip gloss, and this says prepare for an extremely pigmented lip gloss that delivers high shine with long-lasting color while delivering the look of fuller lips. This non-sticky gloss formula applies on smoothly and won't drip. And this retails for $18. And then last but not least, we have the Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette, and this is it here. It says serving queendom realness, bring out your inner goddess in Butter London's vibrant natural goddess eyeshadow palette. Retails for $32. Comes with 6 shades and a little mirror. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna be using all of these products here, and if you guys want to see how that goes, then just keep on watching. And I'm gonna go in with the color Temptress, this dark brown shade. And I'm gonna go in with the brush that I got, the 250 Luxie brush. And with a super light hand, I'm gonna go in to my crease. Okay, so I changed my mind. I'm not gonna be using that dark brown shade in the crease because it is super dark, so I'm gonna leave it in the outer corners. Then I'm gonna be taking the shade Star. It's that beautiful green color, and I'm gonna be putting it right over that brown I put down. With the Luxie 246 brush that we got, I'm going to be going in with the shade Enchantress, and I'm going to be putting that all over my lid. Okay, so now that we have that color down on our lid, I want to go in, I'm gonna go in with that eyeliner, and I'm just gonna line my eyes. Now that we have that eyeliner down, I'm gonna go ahead and take a little flat brush and smudge it out. And then I'm gonna go back in with that Temptress dark brown shade, and I'm just gonna set it. Okay, so now I'm going to take the same eyeliner, and I'm just gonna line my waterline. Now that I have that in my waterline, I'm gonna be taking the Luxie, the Precision Crease Brush, but I'm gonna be smudging out the eyeliner. Going back in with that flat little eyeshadow brush, and in Temptress, the dark brown shade, and I'm going to be setting that eyeliner on the bottom. Okay, and then to make my eyes pop even more, I'm gonna go in, clean off the brush first. I'm gonna go in with my highlight. I'm gonna put it in my inner corner. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and put on some mascara, and I will be right back. And the eyeliner, it glided on really nicely. Let's go ahead and use it on our lips and see how we like it. It glided on really smoothly. I just lined my lips and then I like blended it out a little bit. Go in with our Luna by Luna lip gloss in the shade Mars, and I'm just gonna put this in the center of my lips. Okay, so the gloss is, I feel like it's a little bit metallic. It has like, which is like, it's super pretty, don't get me wrong, but I'm not like into this kind of lip, at least not on me. I think it's beautiful on other people with the dark lip line and the light gloss, but I really don't feel like it's like me. My NYX Suede lip liner in Soft Spoken. Let's go ahead and pop on a little bit of this gloss in the center and see how we like it. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. So this is the finished makeup look, and I think it came out really nice. It's a little bit heavy on the eyes for like an everyday look, especially because I'm just gonna go walk Oliver after this. But if you guys enjoyed this video or you guys like this makeup look, then give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe down below. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button and you're subscribed. That's all you have to do. It's totally free. Also, comment down below and let me know how your guys' day is doing. So this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.